welcome to the Would-Be Carpenter Shop. My name is Donald, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick wedges, okay? And so I figured a way to make them real quick and easy. Just measured how long I needed. Say you can just pretty much make them however long, so we're just going to, for sake of argument, right here. All right, and I'm going to cut this real quick. Get that back out of the way. You can use your miter that came with your saw. It'll work. You can add a little piece of wood to it, make it nice, you know, to however long you need it, so it'd be more stable. But I have a miter that I use, so you can use the miter that came with your saw. It'll work just as well. I just happen to have my miter, so it works just as well for me. All right, so first thing I do, run that up there. I'm gonna put this here again, the blade, and make a mark down here. This is my reference for my saw blade, where it's going to be, because it's kind of hard to see. When I got the wood in the way. So now I got this here, and I'm going to cut this end off just to get it clean. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. Now all you do is flip it over. Okay, I've got it set for, this one's 10 degrees. It was what I was using when I was making the wedges for the chair. But here's my line right here, and I got to account from my saw blade, so I'll move that over just a hair, and you can make this come to a sharp point, give you 1/8 of an inch, give you 1/4 inch, whatever the wedge size you need, you can make it yourself, and the length as well. So okay, so that's that way. Let's see if I can get a nice clean. Just flip this wood over, and let's see, we can do one right there. That should be pretty sharp. So you can see it's nice and sharp. I mean, like I said, you can make it any size wedge, any width, length. It's just a quick way to make wedges, and I hope that helps somebody. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.